Philippine Red Cross Chairman and CEO, Senator Richard Gordon. His Excellency, the United States Ambassador to the Philippines.
Music's my passion, but actually Zipline is where all my other passions come together, which is the idea that commerce should serve people, not people serve commerce. The idea that the brightest of minds shine even brighter when they work for the vulnerable, for vulnerable lives. And I suppose that all of us, that our intellect serves our ideals. This is why I'm excited about Zipline.
To start somewhere, and Senator Dick Gordon has really been like a visionary here, but he's moved very fast. The Philippine Red Cross alone serves about 40% of the population here when it comes to blood transfusions. 52%, sorry. And more than half of the population lives in rural areas or places that can be hard to reach, especially in times of disaster. So we're incredibly honored. I think that we have an opportunity to do something that can not only touch the lives of 50, 60, 70 million people, but we also have a chance to kind of light the path for other countries in Southeast Asia who are now going to be looking to this partnership, to the Philippine Red Cross, and to the Philippines generally in terms of showing how you can use technology to actually make sure that your access to healthcare never depends on the GPS coordinates of where you live. We feel that very, very strongly.
We've been waiting forever for your band, you and your band, to come to the Philippines and visit. I just wanted to ask you.
Our proof of purpose is we want to believe that, you can serve purpose beyond mere profit. And so we're trying to serve Keller and his team. I have a little bit of background in global health, fighting the HIV/AIDS pandemic in particular, with red companies and our one campaign. And I saw what it was. I saw up close what it was, and to not get access to life-saving antiretroviral drugs. I saw that. I felt that ache. I felt that space between the need and the supply of that need. And I 100% agree with Keller that where you live should never decide whether you live. And that's why we're here. Governments need to support their peoples, and we need to support peoples even that are not Irish or English or American. We want to serve people around the world, but it's much better when those people serve themselves, working with innovative business people like Keller and the Zipline team.
Mr. Ronaldo is now signing the document signed by Senator Gordon and vice versa. Founder and CEO Keller Ronaldo and musician, activist, and Zipline board member Bono.